In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check for updates in your Adobe Acrobat Reader PDF application. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to begin by opening up the application itself here. So however you would normally access it, if you go through Start menu, that's fine as well. So up at the top, you want to left click on the Help tab, and then go down and left click on the option that says Check for Updates. Now we'll begin checking for updates, and if there are any updates available, you will have a button here to go ahead and download and install the updates. And just follow along with the on-screen prompts. You might have to close out of the Adobe Acrobat Reader window itself behind me, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.